Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Chill English Time. I'm Emma, and I'm here with my friend.
Hi, everyone. I'm Michael. And today, I'm a little bit excited because we're going to the supermarket.
Yes, today we're talking about English at the supermarket. All the phrases you need when you go shopping for groceries.
This is so useful. I always get nervous when I need to ask questions at the store.
Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident shopping in English. We'll learn useful phrases, practice together, and even do some real shopping conversations.
I can't wait.
And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Chill English Time. We make learning English easy and fun, just like this. All right, let's go shopping. Okay, Michael, imagine you just walked into a supermarket. What's the first thing you need?
A shopping cart?
Exactly. So you can ask, where are the shopping carts? Or, where can I get a cart?
Where are the shopping carts? That's easy.
Perfect. Repeat after me, everyone. Where are the shopping carts?
Where are the shopping carts?
Good. Now, let's say you're looking for something specific, like milk. You can ask, where can I find the milk?
Oh, where can I find the milk? That's super useful.
It is. You can use this for anything. Where can I find the bread? Where can I find the eggs? Where can I find the coffee?
So I just changed the product at the end.
Exactly. Repeat after me. Where can I find?
Where can I find?
Beautiful. Now, here's another way to ask. You can say, I'm looking for the cereal aisle. Aisle means the row between the shelves.
Aisle. Like a hallway in the store?
Yes, perfect explanation. Each section is an aisle. The cereal aisle, the snack aisle, the frozen food aisle.
I'm looking for the cereal aisle. Got it. That sounds very natural.
It does. Now, what if you need help from an employee?
Excuse me?
Yes, but then you say, can you help me find something? Or do you know where the pasta is?
Can you help me find something? Oh, that's polite.
Very polite. Repeat after me. Can you help me find?
Can you help me find?
Perfect. Now, let's talk about asking if they have something. You say, do you have organic tomatoes? Or do you have almond milk?
Do you have almond milk? I use this one a lot.
Me too. It's very common. And if they don't have it, they might say, sorry, we're out of stock. That means they don't have any left.
Out of stock. Okay, so the product is finished.
Exactly. All gone. Now, what about prices? How do you ask about the price?
How much is this?
Perfect. How much is this? Or you can point and say, how much are these apples?
How much are these apples? Easy.
Great. Repeat after me. How much is this?
How much is this?
Excellent. Now, here's a good one for saving money. You can ask, is this on sale? Sale means discount, lower price.
Is this on sale? Oh, I love discounts.
Everyone does. You can also ask, do you have any discounts today? Or are there any special offers?
Special offers. That means promotions, right?
Exactly. Like buy one, get one free, or 50% off.
Nice. I want to learn this.
Okay, now when you're ready to pay, you go to the checkout. That's where the cashier is.
The checkout. And the cashier is the person who takes my money.
Yes, and you can ask, do you accept credit cards? Or can I pay with my phone?
Can I pay with my phone? Very modern.
Absolutely. And at the end, you might need to say, I need a bag, please. Or, can I have a bag?
I need a bag, please. Sometimes they charge for bags, right?
Yes, in many places, bags cost extra. Okay, let's practice a real shopping situation now. All right, Michael, I'm a supermarket employee. You're a customer. You need to find some things. Ready?
Ready. Excuse me.
Yes. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for the dairy aisle. Where can I find it?
Oh, the dairy section is in aisle 5 at the back of the store. Just go straight and turn left.
Thank you. And do you have almond milk? I can't find it.
Yes, we do. It's in the same aisle as regular milk. Look on the bottom shelf.
Perfect. One more question. Are these strawberries fresh?
Yes, we got them this morning. They're very fresh and sweet.
Great. And is this yogurt on sale? I see a yellow tag.
Yes, it's 20% off today. It's a special offer this week.
Wonderful. I'll take 2. Oh, and how much are these bananas?
The bananas are $1.50 per pound. Do you want me to weigh them for you?
Yes, please. That would be helpful. And one last thing. Do you accept credit cards?
Of course. We accept all major credit cards and debit cards too.
Excellent. I need a bag too, please.
No problem. Bags are free today.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. I need 2 bags.
No problem. That'll be 10 cents per bag.
That's fine. Thank you.
Okay, back to our podcast. Michael, how did that feel?
It felt so real. I used almost every phrase we learned.
You did. You said, I'm looking for, where can I find, do you have, is this on sale, and how much are these, all in one conversation.
True, and it flowed naturally. I didn't feel like I was just repeating phrases.
That's the point. These phrases work together in real life. Let's repeat a few important ones. Repeat after me. Where can I find the dairy aisle?
Where can I find the dairy aisle?
Do you have almond milk?
Do you have almond milk?
Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Perfect. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. All right, Michael, let's look at some mistakes many learners make at the supermarket. Ready?
Yes, I probably make these.
Don't say, how many costs this? Say, how much is this? Or, how much does this cost?
Oh, how much is this? Not how many costs. Got it.
Exactly. Another one. Don't say, where is the milks? Say, where is the milk? Milk is uncountable, so no S at the end.
Where is the milk? Okay, no S.
Good. And don't say, I want the bread. Say, I'm looking for bread. Or, where can I find the bread? It sounds more polite and natural.
I'm looking for bread. Yes, that sounds better.
One more. Don't say, give me a bag. Say, can I have a bag, please? Or, I need a bag, please. Always be polite.
Can I have a bag, please? Much nicer.
Exactly. Politeness is important when shopping. Okay, let's do a quick review. Michael, what do you say when you need to find something?
I can say, where can I find? Or, I'm looking for.
Perfect. And when you want to ask about prices?
How much is this? Or, how much are these?
Excellent. What about asking if something is on discount?
Is this on sale? Or, are there any special offers?
Beautiful. And when you need help?
Can you help me find something? Or, excuse me, do you know where the pasta is?
Amazing. You remembered everything. Now repeat after me one more time. I'm looking for the cereal aisle.
I'm looking for the cereal aisle.
Do you have organic vegetables?
Do you have organic vegetables?
Can I pay with my phone?
Can I pay with my phone?
Wonderful. You're ready to shop in English. All right, one final practice. Let's do a complete shopping trip from start to finish. I'll be you and you be the employee. Ready?
Let's do it.
Excuse me, where are the shopping carts?
They're right at the entrance, near the automatic doors.
Thank you. Can you help me find the pasta aisle?
Sure, it's in aisle 3, next to the rice and beans.
Great. And do you have whole wheat pasta?
Yes, we do. It's on the top shelf in the pasta section.
Perfect. One more question. Is the olive oil on sale this week?
Let me check. Yes, it's buy one, get one 50% off.
Wonderful. I'll take 2 bottles. Oh, and how much are these tomatoes?
They're $2 per pound. Would you like me to weigh them for you?
Yes, please. And do you accept credit cards?
Of course, we accept all major credit cards and debit cards.
Excellent. I need a bag too, please.
No problem. Bags are free today.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Perfect. That was our complete supermarket conversation.
We covered everything from finding products to paying.
Exactly. Now you can shop in English with confidence. Remember, the key is to be polite and use these simple phrases.
And don't be afraid to ask for help. Supermarket employees are usually very friendly.
Absolutely. Practice these phrases before you go shopping, and you'll feel much more comfortable.
And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Chill English Time. We post new lessons every week.
Yes, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
Leave a comment below. Tell us, what do you usually buy at the supermarket? Practice your English with us.
Great idea. We love reading your comments. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today.
Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember, shopping in English can be fun.
See you in the next video.
Bye everyone. Happy shopping.
Take care.